Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this short darse hadith session, we will discuss hadith number 4, and the topic of this hadith is guarding the tongue. So hadith number 4 is Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Qala Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, Innal abda la yatakallamu bil kalimati ما يتبين فيها يزل بها في النار أبعد مما بين المشرق والمغرب أو كما قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, a slave of Allah may utter a word without giving it much thought, by which he slips into the fire a distance further than that between east and west. This hadith narrated by Imam Bukhari and Imam Muslim as well. My dear viewers, the tongue is a great blessing of Allah, and despite its small size, it could be the cause of a person's bliss or doom in the afterlife. Therefore, it's very important for a Muslim to safeguard his or her tongue from lying, backbiting, slandering, cursing, and a host of other sins that emanate from this single organ. In fact, some words are so dangerous that they can throw a person outside the fold of Islam. The Prophet ﷺ in this hadith is teaching us about the effects of words and their consequences. A person could utter a word or a statement thinking nothing of it, and may even consider it insignificant. However, in the sight of Allah, it may be highly detested, which causes the person to fall into the depth of hellfire. The opposite could also occur. A person may utter a word or a statement and not give it much attention. However, in the sight of Allah, it may be highly loved, which causes the person to be raised several levels in paradise. The important lesson from this wonderful hadith is that we must think before we speak, as the Prophet ﷺ directed us in another hadith to either say something good or remain silent. Some of the scholars mention that before uttering a word, the person is its master, but as soon it leaves the tongue, then the person becomes its prisoner. It is important to ponder over the consequences of one's words before speaking and the harm they may cause to oneself and others. So this was today's hadith. أقول قولي هذا وصلى الله وسلم على رسوله الكريم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.